Imagine walking through a serene forest, only to feel a sudden sharp pain on your leg. You look down and see a snake slithering away. This is a reality for thousands every year. Did you know that over 7,000 to 8,000 people in the United States are bitten by venomous snakes annually? But the risk varies greatly depending on where you live. North Carolina tops the list with a staggering 157.8 snake bites per million people each year. That's 5 times the national average. West Virginia follows with 105.3 bites per million, still more than 3 times the national average. Despite this, the state is home to just 2 venomous snake species. Arkansas comes in third with 92.9 bites per million. While the state has 39 different snake species, only 2 are venomous. Oklahoma reports 61 bites per million, twice the national average, despite having 48 different types of snakes, including 7 venomous species. Virginia sees 48.7 bites per million people, making it the 5th most active state for venomous snake bites. The state is home to 14 types of snakes, including cottonmouths and copperheads. Texas, with its 68 types of snakes, reports 44.2 bites per million. Interestingly, 1 in 4 snake attacks on children occur in either Florida or Texas. In the U.S., copperheads bite 2,920 people annually. These snakes are easily identified by their copper coloration and distinct hourglass pattern. Despite the high number of bites, only 0.2% of venomous snake bites result in death. That's just 1 in 500. From 7,000 to 8,000 annual snake bites, almost 5 people die. This shows the importance of seeking immediate medical attention. The U.S. is home to 30 species of venomous snakes, including rattlesnakes, coral snakes, cottonmouths, and copperheads. North Carolina alone has 6 venomous snake species, including the copperhead, cottonmouth, and eastern diamondback rattlesnake. In May 2019, 92 people were bitten by venomous snakes in North Carolina, a higher rate than the average for the previous 5 years. A leading theory for the rise in bites is that humans are more frequently encroaching into snake territory. The eastern diamondback rattlesnake, one of the most venomous snakes in the U.S., will only bite humans in self-defense. The inland taipan, the most venomous snake in the world, can kill a human in as little as 30 minutes if left untreated. Thankfully, it's native to Australia. The black mamba, known for its speed and deadly venom, can reach speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. In the U.S., there are 3 primary species of coral snake: the eastern coral snake, Texas coral snake, and Sonoran coral snake. Rattlesnakes are the most venomous species in the U.S., with 32 different species native to the country. Arizona is home to the most different species of rattlesnakes, with an incredible 14. Interestingly, 98% of reported venomous snake bites occur on the extremities, with 2/3 on the lower extremities. The average incidence of venomous snake bites in the U.S. is roughly 3 bites per 100,000 persons. Worldwide, there are approximately 700 different types of poisonous snakes, resulting in an estimated 100,000 deaths annually. In India, snake bites result in over 50,000 deaths each year, with a death rate of 4.1 per 100,000 individuals. Australia sees an average of 1,000 to 3,000 venomous snake bites per year, with just 2 deaths on average. In the U.S., children account for 1,300 venomous snake bites every year, with 25% occurring in either Texas or Florida. There are over 100,000 incidents annually where dogs or cats suffer from venomous snake bites, with a mortality rate as high as 30%. Rattlesnake bites can result in permanent injury or disability for 10 to 44% of victims, including loss of digits or partial use of limbs. Despite the danger, the chance of dying from a venomous snake bite in the U.S. is very low, at just 0.2%. From 7,000 to 8,000 annual snake bites, almost 5 people die, showing the importance of seeking immediate medical attention. Stay vigilant and informed. Snakes are fascinating creatures, but their bites can be deadly. Always tread carefully in snake habitats. Stay safe, stay aware. In this next video, we're diving into an exciting new discovery, a common blood-thinning drug that has been found to neutralize cobra venom. Imagine a world where a single snake bite could lead to lifelong disability or even death. This is the harsh reality for many in rural areas of Africa and Asia. A spitting cobra's venom is so potent that it can destroy skin, muscle, and bone in mere moments. But what if there was a simple, affordable solution? Scientists from Australia, Canada, Costa Rica, and the UK have discovered that a common blood-thinning drug, heparin, could be repurposed as an antidote to cobra venom. Every year, snake bites kill about 138,000 people and leave over 400,000 others with severe tissue necrosis, turning the bite area black and lifeless. Cobras are responsible for most of these bites in parts of Africa and India. Heparin has shown promise in neutralizing the necrosis causing toxins in some spitting cobra's venom. Unlike many existing antivenoms that work against only a single snake species, heparin could be a cheaper and more flexible solution, potentially saving countless lives. Having already tested the drug on mice, the next step for these scientists is human trials, bringing hope to those in the world's poorest communities. Unlike traditional antivenoms dating back to the 19th century, heparinoid drugs act as decoys, binding to venom toxins and preventing them from causing further harm. Professor Greg Neely from the University of Sydney believes this discovery could drastically reduce injuries from necrosis and improve survival rates by slowing the venom's effects. Leading author Tien Du highlights that heparin is inexpensive, widely available, and listed as an essential medicine by the World Health Organization, making it a viable treatment option. As Professor Nicholas Casewell from the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine notes, this breakthrough could change the game in the global fight against snakebite, offering hope to those who need it most. Stay safe, stay informed.